Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan and today, Monday 30 October 2023, I have 9 charts to look at that could potentially boost your trading profits for today. My first pick of the day is a potential short on the CAD Swiss. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. CAD Swiss, I got stopped out of my short. We had some beautiful shorts down the page, but we get caught on a sideways range here. And that run up the page there triggered my stop loss on the last entry that I had here. Unfortunately, but now consolidating very nicely into a sideways pattern for a potential leg down the page yet again. So I can remove the Fibonacci's there. We got the downtrend, the consolidation. We got a 70% chance of this breaking downwards. So what I would be interested in at this stage is to see this market break below with a close or 2 or 3 below that on a 4-hour chart, the retest. Then I'm going to get interested in reversals either on the H1 or H4. Then our long on the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, still very good, got the long there, and we've done the halfway mark here. You can see the halfway mark of that on the long shadow candle, and that was the long there again. That gave you chances, 2 chances last week to get in. This risk here was very nice, got you down to a 30 pip stop loss. Well, that one had a stop loss of almost 50. So with a 30 pip stop loss here, you could take some profits at 1 to 2 on those highs. So there's definitely a level to take profits on something. So this trade up there gave you a 1 to 2 risk reward. We have trailed all the stops now to this low. Final targets 1.27 or 1.618, or you can split your trades, depends on your aggressiveness on this trade. Aussie very strong at this stage, losing a little bit of speed, but New Zealand stays weak. Now, I would like to see the balance of the trade go at least to 1.27. If not, I can push some of it to 1.618 for another 1 to 2 risk reward. I don't see any new entries on this. New Zealand US, unfortunately, the second stop loss I had last week, it ticked out my stop loss on the 1-hour trade right on those highs. So I had a little bit of bad luck on Friday, getting ticked out of the stop loss on both of them. I got the entry on the rising wedge and then got the short. It didn't do much. There was another bearish engulfing the afternoon, but that triggered my stop loss. For the brave ones, there was 5 o'clock in the afternoon, an evening star, which resulted in 15 or 20 pips, depends on when you exited. Remember, 1-hour trades, I never go over a weekend. I exit them at latest Friday night before the close. So there was a little bit of profit in there, but unfortunately the trade I took here on this video got stopped out. The same scenario as I had with the CAD Swiss. I wanted to trade again on the New Zealand US, but it's starting to push well above the support level. It's been closing up there, back below, it's pushing up there. So early this morning I decided to still look for shorts, but I've decided in the meantime I'm going to move this aside and see tomorrow what happens. And the EuroCAD, also Friday afternoon late, gave a very nice trade there. The break on the pattern, the retest, and then the bounce. So there was a little bit of money in for those of you that are crazy. The trades on a Friday afternoon late, some money in there. But now I am interested in this retracement. Now I can remove most of these lines now. Okay, I'll keep this one here for in case it does pull back down to this level. But now I'm interested in that resistance level there that could now become support, right? So we can see Euro much stronger than the CAD. CAD's still the black sheep, so I still want to be short on the CAD. So EuroCAD, still good for longs. This is what I'm going to look for in the afternoon, nothing before 12 o'clock on a Monday. So in the afternoon session, I will start to look for longs there. Gold eventually now went to my $2,000 target and also the 2010 target. I now closed out all the trades from the ones that was left here. Unfortunately, this entry here, I got out on my trailing stop loss at a profit, but that was a terrible one now if I look at it now. So unfortunately, but if you still have any gold open, guys, 2030 is still another target. At least put all the stops here below the 1975 levels to ensure that you lock in your profits. But only get interested yet again when it gets back down here. Still strong dollar. I'm still bullish on this. I know they've decoupled a little bit, but because of the war in Israel and Palestine. But I will follow the technicals, and this support level here would be my next point of interest on gold. Dow Jones, last swing down the page here. We still have a strong dollar, which is stock market negative. Very nice support, resistance at a Fibonacci 61% level. When the Dow gets up there, I will start to look for shorts on a 1 hour or a 4 hour reversal. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. The next one I'm looking at is the US Swiss. Now this is just turning bullish, so I'm getting excited about this one because on a retracement back down here, I will at this market structure definitely be interested in going long. US definitely outperforming the Swiss at this stage. I will see by the time we get down there if I can still have the right strength. So for now, this is the level I'm watching. Pound forming a flag pattern, bearish. See pound weaker than the dollar, so I'm still biased to short here. So we got the rising flag pattern there, the break, and now the retest. I'm getting interested in this afternoon. It's busy testing, but nothing before 12 o'clock. This candle here says 8 o'clock. We're busy with the 9 o'clock one. So when it says 11, 12 o'clock, that's only when I get interested in trading this. Busy retesting, something to watch for today on the short side on a 1 hour or a 4 hour reversal. My favorite idea for today is the potential short on the pound yen. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now let's get back to the pound yen. This is a big support level, huge market structure, trend changing, bearish, pound way weaker than the yen. And I am getting really interested. What I would like to see now is this market to break down in a decent manner and then retraces so that this old support level that I've marked here, that this become a good solid resistance. Any 1 hour or 4 hour reversals from there, I will then trade to the short side. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and open a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.